Vivo launches its new Y series phone in China called Vivo Y6t with 5G support. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y6t features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1200 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset paired with Adreno 613 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Vivo Y6t sports a 13-megapixel primary camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture, and for selfies it has 5-megapixel selfie shooter under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 6,500 mAh battery with 15 watts charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box with Origin OS 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, IR Blasto, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.4 by 77.1 by 8.39 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y6t 5G has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1,899 Chinese yuan, and with 6GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in light black, sunset blue, and flowing clouds white color options, and it is said to go on sale starting from April 27th. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y6t 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.